Hi Mia, so today we're working on our IEP goals. We're working on goals number 1 and number 2. So let's go ahead and begin. We're going to read a story. Walking the dog. The first thing I do when I walk my dog is put on a leash. Then I walk out the door. Next, I lead him down the driveway. Then we walk around the block. After our walk, I take off his leash. Now put the events in order from 1 through 5, Mia, so you're going to put them in order. Now let's go ahead and look at our next goal. So let's go ahead and read our objective. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, and model prompts, Mia will solve simple addition problems by adding within 1 and 5 with 70% of the time. So we're working on addition, Mia. We're going to count the objects and write the numbers and find the sum. We have 1, so write number 1, 1, 2, and put 2. So let's count how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 apples. When you're done, have your mom send me a picture of your assignment. Have a great day.